Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart card readers with a close look at the Onefavor SmartMedia Cards Reader Writer. If you're in the market for a versatile, high-performance card reader, stick around because this might just be the one for you. Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what's arguably the best smart card writer on the market, the Onefavor SmartMedia Cards Reader Writer. This sleek device promises to handle a wide array of memory cards, making it a must-have for photographers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who deals with multiple media formats. Let's start with what makes this device stand out. The Onefavor SmartMedia Cards Reader Writer supports a comprehensive list of memory card types, including SD, XD, CF, MMC, MS Pro Duo, and more. Whether you're transferring data from your digital camera, smartphone, or other devices, this reader has you covered. What I love most about this reader is its plug-and-play functionality. No need for additional drivers, simply plug it into your USB port, and you're ready to go. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, ensuring versatility across platforms. In terms of performance, the Onefavor SmartMedia Reader Writer doesn't disappoint. With USB 2.0 connectivity, it offers fast data transfer speeds, ideal for quickly moving large files like photos and videos. This is especially handy for professionals who need efficiency in their workflow. To sum it up, the Onefavor SmartMedia Cards Reader Writer ticks all the boxes for a high-quality, versatile smart card reader. Whether you're a photographer needing quick access to SD cards or a tech-savvy individual managing multiple media formats, this device offers convenience and performance in one compact package. If you're interested in upgrading your card reader to enhance your digital workflow, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Onefavor SmartMedia Cards Reader Writer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. This has been Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Until next time, take care.